Hello, welcome to the lesson for today. We are working on a new ending sound for two-syllable words. We know that the k sound can be spelled three different ways in the English language. One is the letter C, cat, k. The other is K, kite, k. And the last one is CK, sock, k. And what we know about the CK sound is that it can only come at the end of a syllable. We never start a word with the k sound with a CK. It's always going to be either C or K to begin. And then later on, you'll learn a few other ones. But for now, what you're learning is that CK comes at the end of a syllable. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that. I have a couple of words written here on the board. I have the word sick. And you will notice that the ending sound is a k sound and it is spelled with the CK. Again, that happens at the end of a one-syllable word following a short vowel sound. We know that the I in this word says I, which is the short sound, ick. And if I want to, I can put my breath above the I to help me remember that. I've underlined my digraph CK to remind me. So let's look at the next word. There's a glare. Let me twist this a little bit. There we go. All right, so the next word I have here is stack. Again, I've got my digraph underlined. It's at the end of a one-syllable word with a short vowel before it, ack. So I know I have to use my CK. There are a couple of things that you need to remember. If the ending is k and it's in a vowel consonant E, we would definitely use a different situation there. So let's say the word is rake. The ending sound is a k, as you can see, but we have to have that bossy E on there to make that A say its name in the word rake. So keep that in mind. The word mock, m-ak. Oops, I keep getting it out of the screen there. Mock uses the k sound at the end. Its digraph follows the short vowel sound, so we know we have to use CK there. All right, so what happens when the words are two syllables, such as in this word? I have left this blank on purpose so we can kind of discuss it. I know it's two syllables because I see two vowels there, a U and an I, so I know I've got to split it somewhere. So I'm going to split it between the two consonants, right? All right, so the first syllable is pub. That's a closed syllable, short vowel sound. Now, we know it's going to be lick because we're talking about the k sound at the end. So I have to figure out, what am I going to do here? Well, this new ending we're learning today is this IC. The only time we use IC is at the end of a multiple syllable word that ends in the ick sound. Not ack, not ock, none of the other ones. It's only ick. All right, so when you see this, it's public, has just a C. Same thing down here. I know this is two syllables. I see my two vowels that are definitely separated. So I'm going to scoop. I know that this says and ick. What am I going to use? It's a two-syllable. So I am going to use the C. And those are both closed syllables, by the way. Short vowel sounds. All right. So when you see that ending, you know that it says ick. All right. Good luck this week.